Hello everyone, welcome back to Homemade Shop. Today let's prepare a simple and delicious South Indian Rohu fish curry that's perfect with hot steamed rice. Marinate fish with crystal salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, ginger garlic and dry coconut paste, onions and green chilies. Marinate and keep them aside for 10 minutes. Heat oil in a deep pan. Gently place the marinated fish to it. Do not stir too much and just flip the fish slowly. Now pour in fresh tamarind extract along with some water. Let it boil gently until the raw smell disappears. Cover and cook on medium flame until the fish is perfectly done, gravy thickens and the oil floats on the top. Fish curry is ready. Serve this flavorful fish curry hot with steamed rice. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.